If you're a researcher, you already know this problem. Reading dozens of papers, jumping between PDFs, citation managers, notes, and documents, and still feeling stuck. A lot of time goes into managing the process, instead of actually thinking about the research itself. In this video, I'll show you how I'm actually doing research in 2026 using SciSpace, an AI research agent that helps with the entire workflow, from discovering papers to analyzing multiple PDFs, working with citations, and creating structured, publish-ready summaries. No slides, no hype, just a real research workflow, step by step, inside the SciSpace agent. Let's get into it. The left side of SciSpace is basically your complete research workspace. You start from home, where you can run any research task using the SciSpace agent. My library and notebooks help keep all your papers, PDFs, and notes organized over time. The agent gallery gives you access to specialized agents depending on the kind of research you're doing. iWriter helps turn research insights into drafts and summaries. Chat with PDF lets you ask questions directly inside a paper instead of manually scanning it. And tools like literature review, find topics, citations, and data extraction handle a lot of repetitive research work for you. Now let's start with the literature review. I'll enter a single research prompt here, and SciSpace goes through recent academic papers related to this topic. Instead of manually searching across platforms, opening multiple tabs, and skimming dozens of PDFs, everything is organized in one place. I can immediately see the key themes emerging from the literature, how different studies connect with each other, and where the major research gaps exist. From here, I can open any paper, explore the extracted insights, and move directly into deeper analysis without breaking my workflow. This makes the early stage of research much faster, clearer, and more structured. Next, I'm selecting a specialized agent. Since this is a biomedical topic, I'm using the biomedical agent to keep the analysis focused on medical and life science research. I enter a broad research topic, and instead of giving me a single generic response, the agent breaks it down into a structured research flow. You can see it generating a research plan and searching trusted sources like PubMed, arXiv, and Google Scholar in real time. On one side, the steps show exactly what's being executed, and on the other, the research results start coming in. This transparency makes it much easier to trust and understand the research process. Now I'm uploading multiple PDFs at the same time, instead of opening each paper separately and taking notes manually. I can ask one question across all of them. Here, I'm asking SciSpace to summarize the key findings and limitations from these papers together. The agent analyzes every document in parallel and pulls out the most important points from each one. It then combines those insights into a single, structured summary, making it easy to compare results, methods, and gaps across studies. This gives me a clear overview of the literature without constantly jumping between files. Once the summary is ready, I can save it directly into a notebook. And here's something really powerful about SciSpace's multi-PDF agent. It doesn't just give you answers, it shows you exactly where they come from. You can see these citation numbers attached to the response. When I click on one, it instantly opens the exact PDF and jumps directly to the relevant section. No manual searching, no endless scrolling. This makes it incredibly easy to verify sources and check the original context in seconds. That's what makes this feature so powerful for real research. And now, this is where things get really interesting. Mendeley integration. Instead of working with scattered PDFs, you can directly connect your Mendeley account inside SciSpace under Connected Apps. Once connected, SciSpace gains access to your entire Mendeley library. That means no more manual uploads, no more downloading and re-uploading papers. Now, I can simply pull papers from my Mendeley library directly into SciSpace. From here, I can extract key insights, summarize findings, analyze methodologies, or even generate a structured literature review, all using the papers already saved in my reference manager. And it doesn't stop there. You can also generate citations or a full bibliography based on your connected library, making the workflow seamless from research to writing. This basically turns SciSpace into an AI-powered layer on top of your Mendeley library. Everything stays organized, everything stays connected, and your research workflow becomes significantly faster to a notebook. That way, all my research notes, insights, and references stay organized in one place and are ready to use later. Whether I'm writing a paper, preparing a report, or working on a presentation. So this is how I'm using SciSpace as part of my research workflow in 2026, from discovering papers, analyzing multiple PDFs, and working with citations, to organizing insights and turning them into structured outputs. Everything stays in one place. If you're doing serious research and want to spend less time on manual work and more time on actual thinking, you can try these updates yourself. I've added the link and details in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.